What happened?
That one got me.
Gosh, you were taking multiple hits for the team.
Sorry, little guys. Inexperience.
What's wrong?
I think it's just kind of cool.
Oh, I'm missing it.
You hear them?
Gosh, there are a ton in there.
Just be careful. They are not happy with Brad.
You hear him buzzing?
Yeah, isn't that crazy? So what they're doing is they're putting out the "Hey bees, I'm over here" pheromone. You guys should come join us. It's a party. Hopefully I didn't kill too many that they don't find the home appetizing anymore.
Can that happen?
Yep.
They have an entrance to go through, right?
Yes.
So the rest of them will find their way eventually.
Yeah, they let out a pheromone that is hopefully going to attract them. What we're going to do is I'm going to set this stuff right here in hopes that they stop freaking stinging me. Through my jeans, in my hands. Who got into beekeeping?
So you wanted them to swarm, or that was?
No, this was not wanted. I wanted them to stay in the hive. But, you know, nature does what it does.
So they left because the queen left.
Yeah, and the queen's not over there, so the hope is the queen's going to come over here. I know that because they stick up their little bellies. If we let everybody calm down,